First of all, I am going to unplug the battery terminal. Now I will unscrew the screws on the left and right side of the steering with T30 bit. Now I gently remove the airbag assembly. After this, I will unplug the airbag wires. And then unplug all these couplers. Now I will remove these 3 nuts with T30 bit. Now I will gently uplift this plastic part. Now open the screw with screwdriver. Now open these 2 screws. Now, gently pull out this part. Now pull out the meter frame with the help of screwdriver. Now open the steering main nut. Now unscrew 4 screws on the back side of steering. Then pull this out. Now unplug the wire and then unscrew the back side of the part where we have to install cruise control. Pull out this company-fitted remote control. I had ordered this cruise control button from Boodmo. You can buy it from the link in description. Now place this cruise control on same place. I can't explain my happiness when I placed it on my car steering. Now screw it properly. And then plug this coupler on its place. Remove this plastic part by applying upward force. Now unscrew these from meter screws. Plug out this coupler. I am going to put a wire in the third slot. Now put this coupler on its place. And other end of the added wire and coupler, which is under the steering. Now we are ready to go. Cruising outside the city at 30 km/h. You can purchase cruise control and tool kit from the websites mentioned in the description.